Natural Interpretation Center by Salomé Torres and Geraldine Marin. Abstract. Guatapé is an iconic tourist destination in Antioquia, Colombia, known for its beautiful landscapes, culture, and representative reservoir. It receives around 20,000 to 50,000 tourists weekly, which boosts its economy. However, tourism in Guatapé has led to significant environmental deterioration due to the high influx of visitors. Therefore, it is essential to educate visitors about endemic biodiversity and the importance of its conservation. This is where the Nature Interpretation Center comes into play. The design is inspired by the nature and the water cycle, represented through the raindrops. It reflects the importance of the water in the environment, especially in a region characterized by its reservoir and natural landscapes. General objective: implement a natural interpretation center in Guatapé that provides an enriching experience for visitors regarding the endemic flora of the region through the nature exhibition rooms, meeting classrooms, and multiple areas for direct interaction with nature. Specific objectives: first, use natural exhibition spaces where the endemic flora of the region is displayed to allow active enriching interactions of users with the nature. The second is provide a versatile space for meetings that facilitates knowledge exchange about local biodiversity, allows for the educational workshops, and fosters environmental awareness among visitors and the community. Design step by step. Initially, the golden ratio was taken into account. Based on this, the conceptual simulation of a raindrop falling onto water was created, generating spinning waves. Then heights, additions, and subtractions of the volume were adjusted. Implementation criteria. To begin, it was decided that the landscape, geographic, and morphological conditions will be key factors in the design process. For this, the volume was positioned so that the project's main view would be toward the El Peñol reservoir. Similarly, on the facade most affected by the afternoon sun, permeability was created to help mitigate solar radiation. Additionally, to take advantage of natural ventilation, a division was created in the central part of the project to make it very open while integrating it with the natural context. Description: the Natural Interpretation Center is located in the northeastern part of the urban area of Guatapé, covering an area of 450,000 square meters, of which only 435 square meters are part of the volume we are working on. The project consists of 2 floors. On the first floor, there is a natural exhibition hall where visitors can directly interact with the region's endemic flora, and hanging garden designed to offer a unique experience with the vegetation, observing how it grows from the top to the bottom. On the second floor, there is a workshop and meeting room, an herbarium, and a lookout point where the main view is toward the reservoir. Bioclimatic strategies. First, the passive strategies. First, we have mitigating direct sun exposure. The use of this permeability prevents direct radiation on the project, while simultaneously allowing for natural lighting and ventilation. Second, we have evaporative cooling. By having water mirrors and allowing the sunlight to hit them, the air is cooled, maintaining a fresh environment. And for the active strategies, We have first rainwater collection systems. Rainwater harvesting systems will be implemented through the rooftops to later be used for irrigation of natural exhibition halls and gardens. Materiality. Finally, as a natural interpretation center, we must set an example in sustainable and environmentally friendly construction. To achieve this, some of the proposed materials include: first, eco-friendly concrete, made from recycled materials which has a lower carbon footprint than conventional concrete and offers an excellent durability. And for the roofs, we propose recycled EPDM membranes. Recycled EPDM membranes provide a long-lasting performance and are manufactured from recycled materials.